Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to scan for external fonts, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. And here can you subscribe monthly here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. And here can you add credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like